What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with this brand new 1/16 scale 4x4 truck off-road from HBX. Now I do have a few vehicles from HBX. I have some 1/12 scale, and I also have some smaller ones, but the smaller ones that I have are actually 1/18 scale, and so I brought one of them out so you guys can see that and see the size comparison. It's not that much bigger, this being 1/16 and this 1/18 scale. So this one is just a little bit smaller, but you can see that the wheels are a lot bigger. You know, this one is an off-road truck. This one, I guess, is a little rally or stadium car or whatnot. But for the most part, you guys can see the size difference there. Not much of a larger size, but the wheels do dwarf the wheels on this one. So it should fare a little better off-road. This did come with some lights. You had to install the lights yourselves though, and they fit nicely in here. This transmitter is quite familiar. I think this is the same transmitter that they go with all of them. You haven't, I just noticed this auxiliary channel here. Now this little 1/18 scale was a really fast model here, so this one does continue the tradition. This one is pretty fast, so they have these new little things on here on the body clips to help you get them off easier, and I think that's a really nice idea, so we can easily remove it. Check it out. So I think this is a 390 size motor. We have the receiver here. We have one spot for the lights, and it's occupied by the lights that I have installed that comes with it. The battery is a 1000 milliamp hour 2S battery, 25C, and it comes with two of them. Shocks are not oil filled, they're just regular bouncy shocks. It has a little press and hold button here to turn it on and off, and that's just about it. This guy that's the top speed right there. We got one of the front wheels lifting up when I try to turn, but so far it has not flipped over. That's a good thing. You can see those lights are really bright. You guys should be able to see them. I can see them very well. Man, so this thing gets up. Definitely liking the speed on this one, and liking the fact that it's not flipping over. Check out the brakes, and the brakes are working nice. Doing my best to try to get this guy to flip over, and it's not flipping over. Man, I'm liking the way this thing is handling and all. Check it out. The lights are really bright. So we don't really have any rock races this small, but I just wanted to test this guy out over here in this little rock garden here. And if it didn't have all this vegetation in here, it'd be a good idea to run this in here. This guy is fast for his size, definitely. Alright. Starting to lose myself in this. Let me come back so we can end the video. So pretty awesome little 4x4 1/16 scale from HBX. I think I like this one better than the 1/18 scale that I have. Thanks for watching.